Hey, what's up guys? Alex here at Bay Cities Construction. Hey, we're at my job in LA actually. We're Koreatown. We're doing a full remodel here. This is a gut remodel. You've been thinking about doing a major remodel and you've been putting it off because it's expensive or it's messy. You're right, it's expensive and messy. Let me show you what we got going on over here. I'm gonna walk you through the deal. So we got protection down because this is all oak floors. Water damage occurred here. So we ripped out all the subfloors. We've got all the walls peeled back. This right here is actually the kitchen. He's over there working on what's gonna be the second bathroom. This is the main bathroom. Bedroom here. We're gonna make this a little bigger, getting into the closet. This new bathroom. By the way, if you look down there on the floor, you see that new plywood down there? See that bolt down situation? See that steel plate right there? So we did a whole retrofit on here. We put this new plywood over the cripple wall over the entire house. Because this house had 0 bolts holding it down. Kind of a scary situation. So up here, we opened this up for a nice big window. We're gonna put in there, that's gonna be the shower, vanity, toilet back in the same spot. This is another bedroom. Change out all these windows and stuff. It's gonna be crazy. Little closet, cupboard closet deal. It's kind of cool. This remodel is actually gonna take about 5-6 months. It's kind of crazy big, a lot of work to do in here. And we'll be updating you. I picked out all of the plumbing fixtures, picked out all of the towel work and stuff for this job. I'm really excited to get started on this thing. So I'm excited to share this with you. If you have any comments, any questions, please go ahead and post them below. I'd love to hear what your thoughts are about this. My name's Alex of Bay Cities Construction, reminding you, you don't need a contractor. You need a team of pros.